Hello students. Now here comes the video on parajumbles. Parajumbles is also one of the topic. See, parajumbles. This particular exercise, this particular sheet carries 15 questions in total. See, as you can see, it carries 15 questions in total. We'll start from the very first one. See, first of all, I would like to tell you that, just a moment. Yes, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to look for the connecting chain. Now, what is this connecting chain? Whenever you're doing a question, see, in English, it is very important to reach to the answer as well as to take the minimal time. अब वो टाइम कम आपने कैसे करना है? You have to look for this thing, this connecting chain. We have done plenty of topics. We have done tenses. We have done spotting the errors, subject verb agreement, prepositions, narrations, active passive. You have to link them all और इसमें से एक पेयर निकालना है जिससे कि आप ये डिटेक्ट कर पाओ कि इसमें से राइट आंसर कौन सा है. आई विल टेल यू हाउ वी आर सपोज टू डू. लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट वन. जस्ट सी द वे आई एम सॉल्विंग इट. करना कैसे है ये भी आपने देखना है. So let's start. Yes, the very first one. I'll just read the first one for you. You are required to rearrange these parts which are labeled P, Q, R and S to produce the correct sentence. हमें P, Q, R, S के फॉर्म में sentences दिए. They are all jumbled up. Jumbles क्या होते हैं? Means they are not following the proper sequence. ये sequence में नहीं है. We have to look for the pair. We have to look for the pair which gives the correct sequence. Okay, we look for the pair which gives the correct sequence. So let's start. Yes. Now see, if I read the first one, different payment services and a bank account. अब ये सब मैं जब सारा पढ़ने लगूंगी, it will take much more time. We have to save time. See, मैंने क्या किया, मैंने बोल्ड वाला पढ़ा. It is banks provide, this one. Banks provide. Bank provide क्या है? Different payment services and a bank account. Means I got a linking chain, I got a connecting chain which is R and P. अब मुझे ऑप्शंस वो चाहिए जिनमें आर और पी होना चाहिए. सी, इसमें नहीं है आर एंड पी. हियर ऑल्सो वी डू नॉट हैव. हियर ऑल्सो वी डू नॉट हैव. दिस इज द करेक्ट वन. गॉट इट? इट इज डी. I did not read the whole sentence. I just looked for the connecting chain. Banks provide different payment services and a bank account. If you feel कि doubt है, you can read the whole after looking for the answer. But अगर आप sure हो तो then you can move further. So I'm going to the next one. The second one. You are required to rearrange these parts which are labeled P, Q, R and S to produce the correct sentence. Now here a number of segments and reduce the price. No, a firm can divide the market into So here it is Q से शुरू होगा. It will begin with Q. A firm can divide the market into, अब into है, see the sequence, into a number of segments. That means Q और P इकट्ठे आने चाहिए. Now see Q and P. Do we have here Q and P? No, we have PQ, so no. PRQS, no. Then PQ, no. Again we are having at D. Q, P, S, R. So a firm can divide the market into a number of segments and reduce the price. This one, the correct sequence will go with D. It is a firm can divide the market into a number of segments and reduce the price at different stages at each, thus acquiring maximum profit from each segment. So it is D, D for Delhi. Now the third one. Third one. The stages and styles of learning has focused recent research on brain development. So the first chain which I have is R. Now R के साथ क्या आ सकते हैं? Recent research on brain development has focused on the capabilities. Yes, R के बाद Q आना चाहिए. ये एक चेन मुझे मिल गई कि R है, R मेरा फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है और उसके बाद Q आना चाहिए. So R and Q. Here do we have in A? No, we do not have. इसमें नहीं है. R, Q यहाँ पे भी नहीं है. हाँ, D में है. We have it in B and we have it in D. Now see D वाला, D में start किससे हो रहा है? The stages and styles of learning. No, this will not go. So it will be B. Got it? You need not read the whole paragraph. Just go for that connecting chain. Once you are able to caught it, once you are able to caught up, उसके बाद आप easily link कर सकते हो. Next. Fourth one. Wholesale banking, some retail banking. Now some retail banking से मैं कर सकती हूँ. Some retail banking, but not in the same scale. No. Covers business transactions. Yes, I can go for Q and S. Now see QS A में भी है, B में भी है. Here we do not have. C में नहीं है. Q and S. Here also we do not have. Now see the B1 as wholesale banking. PR, but not in the same scale. No, it is not making sense. So it is A. Okay, fourth A. QSRP is the correct sequence. See, I did not read the whole paragraph. I was able to locate the answer after deducing from two options, which is A and B. Now fifth. Yes. Now fifth. For an identical peak of moral excellence, aristocrat basic philosophy deduces that humanity strives. Now if I see here, striव्स जब आता है, strives के साथ जो आपका लगेगा prepositions वो आता है for. That means R and P has to be together. Now R and P A में है इकट्ठे. Here we do not have R and P together. In C also we do not have. In D we have. अब D वाला देखते कि क्या start है. It is aristocrat. The basic philosophy deduces that humanity strives for an identical peak of moral excellence as judged by higher entity. So D is the right one. Got it? I got the chain which is RP. RP इकट्ठा है जिसकी वजह से I could rule out second and third. Then I just read the D1 which is correct. Sixth. Now you're required to rearrange the same thing on their income as long as म्यूचुअल फंड्स आर नॉट टैक्सड. ये मेरा सेंटेंस बन सकता है. म्यूचुअल फंड्स आर नॉट टैक्सड ऑन देयर इनकम. ओके, Q and P can go together. So now let's see. I haven't read R. I haven't read S. Q and P I want together. Here I do not have Q and P together. Here also I do not have. And In the first one also, I do not have. So, see how easily I could make out the answer. It is 6B. Got it? Need not read the whole of the paragraph, whole of the sentence. Just see the linking chain. Once you are able to judge, once you are able to locate it, you can easily reach the answer. Seventh. And this is the way you'll be doing in your exam also. It will help you. Now, 7, Walmart or some other foreign retail chain. Now, here I would start with FDI in retail must be allowed not because wants it but because it is Walmart. See, S और Q एक मुझे पेयर मिल रहा है. Wants it but because it is in the interest of Indian consumers and farmers. ठीक है, S के बाद Q तो आना ही चाहिए. But if I look into the option, I have S and Q together in almost all the option except C. C को छोड़ के बाकी सारों में से S, Q is together. So I have to look for the other one. Now what should be the starting sentence? Start किससे होना चाहिए? It should be with FDI definitely. So FDI को मैं डालती हूँ यहाँ पे R. Now FDI in retail must be allowed not because Walmart or some other foreign retail chain wants it. Yes, so RPSQ is the correct sequence. I'll go for 7A. It is 7th A. Now 8th. Food security because for the majority of the rural poor, yes, agricultural production is important. Now agricultural production is important. I got my first sentence. Important for food security. That means R के बाद आना चाहिए P. Now look for the sequence. R and P together. R and P. Here I do not have. Here also I do not have. And here also I do not have. I just have in C. So 8C is the correct answer. Okay. It is RPSQ. Now 9th. Now we'll go for 9th. Yes. In the Bangalore city of India. See here S has to be the first one. Vidhana Sudha counts. S should be the first sentence. Now see कहाँ पे S है. We do not have S in B. We do not have in C. Now see SQ या SR. So Vidhana Sudha counts amongst the most impressive. If I go for A and SR as well as किसके साथ है? If you look for the linking chain is Q and R. How come? देखो amongst the most impressive as well as the most magnificent. ये जो दो lines हैं, these two lines they have to be one after the other. तो Q और R इकट्ठा आना चाहिए. So here I go for A option, which only satisfies my condition. I hope it is clear how to locate the answer. आपको connecting chain करना है. Why S, Q and R are connecting chain? Because amongst the most impressive as well as the most magnificent, as well as जो लगा, that means उससे पहले भी एक comparison किया गया, and that comparison is this one. Now 10th. We'll discuss 10th. Excuse me. Will require of electricity equivalent to 3 to 5 the commercial power will require sustainable source. अब ये जो source है ना, इसके साथ लगना चाहिए off. So इसके साथ if I go for again the connecting chain, it would be R and P should be together. Now R and P I have in A. I do not have here. I do not have here, and I do not have here also. So I did not read the whole of it. It is A which goes as per my understanding. Okay, it is SRPQ, the correct one. See how I'm locating the answer. मैंने पूरा नहीं पढ़ा. I saved my time and I could reach the answer also. Next, 11th. At the stake to create, to ensure, when the pride of brand name is. Now at least I can make out when the pride of brand name is. This sentence should begin with S. अब S से शुरू हो रहा है C, which is actually the right answer. But yes, sometimes you need not be too confident. आप एक बार पढ़ के देख लो whether it is going right or not. ये तो मैंने पढ़ के ऐसे बताया कि ठीक है, S से ही sentence begin होना चाहिए. But when I read, if I read it, let's see it goes well or not. When the pride of brand name is to at stake, then best way, अब way है तो way के साथ again to आना चाहिए. To ensure business supremacy is to create awareness of product among potential customers. So definitely it is going well. So C is the correct answer. Please do not be overconfident. आप एक बार पढ़ लो, like यहाँ पे मुझे easily पता चल गया, but still to make sure I give a quick recap. एक quick सा एक revision दे दो whether the answer is right or not. 12th. 12th, or overall courts, power of Supreme, each high court has. आना चाहिए R, which goes for my linking chain. Now each court has power of superintendence. R and Q should go together. Now R and Q I have in A. I do not have here. I do not have here and here also. So A is the right one. Read it if you have any doubt. It is each high court has overall courts within its jurisdiction power of superintendence. It is R, Q, S and P overall courts. I'll read it again. It is each high court has power of superintendence within its jurisdiction overall courts. So A is the correct one. R, Q and SP. Now 13th. Let's go for 13th. A malignant tumor or cancer, the lymph system, including blood vessels. Now here the connecting chain or the connecting thing would be S आना चाहिए along with R, is capable of invading surrounding structure including blood vessels. किसी चीज़ को आपने इंक्लूड किया है. अब एस आर कहाँ कहाँ पे है? वी डू नॉट हैव एस आर हियर इन द ए ऑप्शन. वी हैव इट इन बी. इसमें भी नहीं है एंड इसमें भी नहीं है. सो बी इज़ द राइट वन. I'll just give a read. A malignant tumor or cancer is capable of invading surrounding structures including blood vessels, the lymph system and nerves. कॉमा है ना, एक और चीज़ है, आर एंड क्यू शुड ऑल्सो बी टुगेदर. वाई? ये ब्लड वेसल्स है, इसके बाद कॉमा है, द लिम्फ सिस्टम एंड नर्व्स, ये सारा इकट्ठा आना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट 14th. 14th. Yes. Biodiversity and change in climatic pattern does man. अब बी से तो स्टार्ट हो ही नहीं सकता बिकॉज 10 आ गया वहाँ पे. सो मैन थ्रू हिज टूल्स. ओके, मैन थ्रू हिज टूल्स मैं लूँगी. इसके बाद देखते क्या आ सकता है. लीडिंग टू एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन. नो. हैज़ कॉज डिप्लीशन. यस, मैन अपने टूल्स के थ्रू उसने क्या किया? डिप्लीशन. डिप्लीशन इज व्हाट? कम करना किसी चीज़ को. सो क्यू एंड एस शुड बी टुगेदर. Here it is not there. Q and S. Here we have C में भी है and here we do not have. Now C. Q से sentence start हो सकता है, P से हो सकता है, no. A sentence cannot begin with P, biodiversity and change in climatic pattern, thus, so it does not make any sense. It is B only, 14B. Okay, 14B. Now the last one. Development is necessary for a better future. Now, conservationists have the view that in ways that are not wasteful but only when changes occur. So Q जो है view that development is necessary for a पहली चीज़ की I believe that sentence should begin with Q and should be followed by P. Now let's see, अब Q से सिर्फ एक ही है जो ये है. Still I said do not be overconfident. अगर आप एक ही बार में judge कर पा रहे हो that this is the correct sequence, just give a read. It would hardly take 5 seconds. So it is Q. Conservationists have the view that development is necessary for a better future in ways that are not wasteful. Yes, in ways that are not wasteful. Q, P, S, and I. We skipped S. So I just give a read again. Conservationists have the view that development is necessary for a better future, but only when the changes occur in ways that are not wasteful. So it is making sense. See, when once you are able to locate up, dekho whether it is making sense or not. Okay, so 15B is the right one. This is the way how I do parajambas. You need not read the full of the sentences. Just look for the trick, look for the chain which should follow one after the other, and in that way you'll be able to locate the answer. I hope this video is helpful. Please comment. I'll be waiting for your comment. Thank you so much.